Hello guys, welcome back to 24th Scale World. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to see another Tata product, the Tata Zest. The Tata Zest was launched in 2014 alongside the Tata Bolt. It has a very refreshing design even though it is based on the existing platforms of Tata Indica Vista and Indigo Manza. I feel that Tata Zest gave a new and refreshed face for Tata Motors. One more unique thing about the development of Tata Zest was, at first, Tata Zest was designed and based on Zest, Tata Bolt was developed. It is a reverse of what usually happens in the market. Based on a hatchback, a sedan develops, but here, based on the sedan, the hatchback was developed. The powertrain options for this model included a 1.2-liter Revotron turbo petrol engine and India's favorite diesel engine, the 1.3-liter Fiat's multi-jet turbo diesel engine. Presenting to you Tata Zest in 1:43 scale, manufactured by Norev. Norev has designed this with utmost detailing and quality. The front fascia has been replicated finely and neatly with the grille and the headlamps with amazing detail. The rear tail lamp and the chrome line have been replicated finely. Interior detailing of this model is also pretty decent for 1:43 scale. It is an amazing model by Norev, manufactured for Tata Motors. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe.